Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we are going to start with chapter Polynomial. This is exercise 2.1, question number 1. The graph of y is equal to px are given below for some polynomial px. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. Earlier we have been given some equations. We have to find the values of that equation and then we plot the points and we draw the graph. In this question we have been given a graph. Just by looking at the graph we have to tell how many zeros a particular polynomial has. So before starting with this question we must know that the polynomial whose number of zeros have to be found out is in which variable. Here we have been given y is equal to px. That means polynomial is in x variable. That means if we have to find out the number of zeros, we will see the line given or a curve given touches x-axis how many times. The number of zeros will depend upon as many times as a curve touches the x-axis if the polynomial is in x variable. So here you can see there is no line or any curve which touches x-axis. So here the number of zeros will be number of zeros of px will be 0 because there is no curve or no line which touches x-axis at any point. So here the number of zeros is px is equal to 0. Now if the same question comes but instead of px we have to find out the zeros of polynomial of y. That means now we have to see a polynomial whose zeros, whose line or curve touches y-axis, because now the question is in py form. So if I have to write down the number of zeros of py, number of zeros of py, that will be how many? It touches or intersects y-axis at one point. Yeah, number of zeros of py will be 1 as it touches y-axis at one point. Now let's do the second part of the same question. We have been given another curve which touches x-axis at one point. That means here the number of zeros of px will be 1 because it is intersecting x-axis only once, whereas it touches y-axis also at one point. That means if I have to write down the number of zeros of y-axis, zeros of polynomial of y is equals to 1 because it touches it once only. Part is not being asked because we have been asked only about polynomial of x. I am just giving it for your knowledge only. Your question is up to here only, that you have to tell the number of zeros of polynomial of x. Here it touches it once, so px, number of zero of px is 1. Continuing with the third part now. Here the curve is such that it touches how many times? 1, 2, 3. At 3 points it touches, which is clearly visible. So number of zeros of px is 3. Whereas if I have to write down the number of zeros of py, which is actually not asked, I am just writing it touches it once only, so number of zeros of py is 1. Now let's do the fourth part of first question. Again a curve is being given which touches x-axis at 2 points. So here number of zeros of px will be 2. And what are the number of zeros of py? It doesn't touch at any point here, so number of zeros of polynomial of y will be 0. See the next part. A curve which is touching or intersecting x-axis at 1, 2, 3 and 4th point. So there are number of zeros of px will be 4. for py there will be 1 0. And now the last part of this exercise, here is another curve which touches x-axis at 1 2 and this is third place. So number of zeros of px will be 3, whereas if I have to write down for py it will be 1 only. So that's all about exercise 2.1 from chapter